Is the world on the brink of a second trade war between the US and China? As President Donald Trump escalates economic pressure on Beijing with fresh tariffs, China is making it clear it won't back down. In the heart of Beijing, a crucial political meeting, known as the Two Sessions, is underway. This is where China's leaders outline their strategy for the year ahead. And this year, the message is loud and clear. China is moving forward with or without Washington's approval. Let's break down Beijing's game plan, Trump's challenge, and what this battle means for the global economy. At the core of China's strategy is the push to reduce dependence on exports and instead focus on fueling domestic demand. With consumer spending slowing and youth unemployment rising, Beijing wants to boost confidence in its economy. Premier Li Shuang, China's second most powerful official, addressed thousands of lawmakers, declaring that China's economy will sail steadily toward the future. But it's not just about economic resilience. China is aggressively investing in technology, aiming to become a global leader in AI, robotics, and semiconductor production. Xi Jinping's government is even enlisting private companies to drive innovation, a notable shift given Beijing's past crackdowns on the tech industry. The ultimate goal? To outpace the US in tech dominance. On the other side of the world, Trump isn't backing down either. This week, he doubled tariffs on Chinese imports to 20%, warning of further economic restrictions. His administration is tightening controls on American investments in China and considering even stricter limits on Chinese tech firms. If Trump follows through with his campaign trail threat of 60% tariffs on all Chinese goods, the global economic fallout could be massive. Chinese officials have responded with sharp rhetoric. A foreign ministry spokesperson bluntly stated, "If the US insists on waging a tariff war, trade war, or any other kind of war, China will fight till the end." But beyond words, China is preparing for a long-term economic battle. Beijing's focus on strengthening its domestic market and tech capabilities suggests it is planning for a future where economic decoupling from the US becomes a reality. There is a reason why the word confidence is dominating China's state media coverage. Beijing is eager to project an image of strength, but beneath the surface, uncertainty looms. Consumer spending remains weak, with people choosing to save rather than spend. The housing market crisis lingers, and youth unemployment is a growing problem. While China's leadership remains outwardly optimistic, many citizens are feeling the economic strain. Yet, success stories like electric vehicle giant BYD, which now rivals Tesla, and AI startup DeepSeek, which is challenging Silicon Valley, are fueling a sense of national pride. The sentiment in Beijing is shifting. China hasn't peaked, it's still rising. Trump's aggressive policies could reshape global trade, but they also create opportunities for China. As the US pulls back on foreign aid and reconfigures its alliances, Beijing is positioning itself as a stable global power. China is also playing a long game. Unlike US presidents who serve limited terms, Xi Jinping has no such constraints. His vision for China's economic transformation is designed to last beyond Trump's presidency. That means China will keep pushing forward in AI, semiconductors, and quantum computing, industries that are critical to the next wave of global economic power. The rivalry between China and the US is far from over. Trump's tariffs are a direct challenge, but Beijing is betting that its long-term strategy will pay off. Will the US succeed in slowing China's rise, or will these economic pressures only make Beijing more determined? One thing is certain. The world is watching closely as these two superpowers go head to head once again.